Depends on what we're talking about. If it is problems in the tank, you'll actually generally hear those when it's not flushing. All toilets are going to make some noise when they flush. You'll hear the water fill back up in the tank. The flushing process itself will make some kind of noise. But if you're hearing it, basically, if it's making different noises than you're used to, something has changed. That's usually an indication that a partial clog in the drain line or a partial clog in a vent line is beginning to grow.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.